Hello, it is Jen Eden. I am back here on my YouTube channel talking everything holidays because it's the start of the holidays and the holidays really can mess with us, and I know like it's an issue. And so this is a really big one today. I'm going to talk about something a lot of really busy female professionals talk to me about, and it is racing mind. You think you have ADHD, you're undiagnosed. I don't even believe in that term, true story, but you have a racing mind. And so I want to talk to you about that today. And I always say, if you're new with me, great, hang out if you love my stuff. Eventually subscribe to my channel. If you're just stumbling across me and you love my realness, great, subscribe. I would love to have you because every Wednesday I drop a video like it's hot and then you'll get notified. All right, so get this. Racing mind. There are so many things I could talk to you about. But given the racing mind, I'm only going to mention one thing. You ready? This is what it is. And this is true story, and this works. Scattered eating, racing mind. Scattered eating, scattered thoughts, racing mind. So all my dabblers don't really sit and eat a meal. I know you're like, oh, how does she know? I know, my friend, because I've been doing this work for almost 20 years. I'm a mom to 3. I'm almost 50. And there's nothing I haven't seen that I don't know how to help, cure, fix, put back into balance, okay? And so racing mind is a big one. I used to have it too. If you do not sit calmly and eat your meals, and you're on the go, you're on your phone, you're talking to your mother, talking to a client, popping in 100-calorie bar, and you're not eating real food, I'd say at least 3 times a day, and sitting and chewing and being mindful, you are not what you eat, you are how you eat. You eat scattered, racing around, you're gonna have a racing mind. So, could it be that simple? It actually could be that simple. So I would love for you to just start thinking about how you grab and go snacks, grab and go food. I'm lucky if most of you even sit down and eat. That's for another day, okay? But I would really like you to consider sitting and honoring the time that you are consuming food. Sit and honor it. And then tell me how calm your mind is. Calmly eating, calm mind. I could go on all day, but I don't want to. This is a quick Jen Ed and shorty for you today, okay? So sit, make the time, value yourself, slow down, chew your food, enjoy your food, put the phone down, don't drive yet, give yourself 10 minutes. Calm when you eat, calm mind. True story. All right, enjoy that. I will see you again shortly. Thank you for being here. Make it a great day.